sorry, guys. This Parrot is actually saying hello. The green one right here. Hello? Can you say hello? Hello. See? Hello? Can you say hello?
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
See? This bird is saying hello. Like in English.
How was that one? So that's actually a fully grown screech owl.
Oh, that's a fully grown screech.
Yep. His name's Cato.
Cato,
These
what's
are the ones
up?
that get used for education, so they're not on display just
Oh,
because they are
that's
trained.
why.
Yes. And did I ask you anything?
You did.
Huh?
You were here the other day, weren't you?
Yeah.
She's still not.
I don't think I haven't seen her yet today.
So I don't think she's here today.
Can you say hello? Hello. What's up? Hello. Hello. Can you say hello? Oh, that's not what I mean. Can you say okay? Hello. 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 This one. It's weird. Actually, let's say hello. Oh, just said it. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
What? Alright, guys, that's it. Coming.
Uh-oh.
Alright, guys, I'll see you guys.